Good morning! It's 7 o'clock, guys. Yeah, I get up like 4 o'clock. I told Tommy, why you didn't call me last night? I told him, why you didn't call me last night? You told me you're going to call me when you're in bed. But obviously he called me and I just don't remember. Because I was sleeping, I was, you know, lying down early and I fall asleep early. So I kinda just like, you know, like Zoom like dead, and then he called me. Probably that's why I don't remember. I called him early in the morning. I woke him up because I can't. When I wake up and then thinking why he doesn't call me, I have to call him. Why you don't call me? Nice and sunny today. Yay! Did you see that yellow the tree that this one right here? The leaves are out, and this one is almost, guys. This one, if this trees leaves are out, it's gonna be red and pretty, so you will see that soon. I'm thinking to film something today. Let me see the pancake that, remember Tommy said that the pancake that he got is the same thing with this pancake and Jemima, and it says add something, cup milk, so I guess that's what it is. Look, oh, I don't even know that. I just keep mixing it, but it is good though, even though there's nothing in it, there's no mix. 1.5 cup water. We finished 2 boxes already of this, and then we don't know what we're doing. Just like kind of just mixed it. I'm going to clean the house. I'm going to vacuum. This is the routine of having an animal. You have to clean. The dog has been here last week. I didn't clean that. The hair, you know, at least it's not like crazy hair fall. But there is here, guys. Clean like this, like that, and clean that up, and then vacuum later on. I have to clean this right here because this is where we put our, you know, like sleeper. Roxy would hate this thing. They won't like it. Look. Okay, Rocky, you're a good girl, Rocky, you're a good girl. I'm going to put this chair, this brown chair, against this wall for now, because I plan to put some shelves, or not shelves, it's like a, you know, it's like a, how do you call that? Not a table, but it's like a, you know, like you can put like pictures and decoration in there. What, baby? What, do you wanna go Oyuti again? But if there's no furniture in this house, it's really spacious, look. But because of the furniture, our furniture is big too. In the future, Tommy and I plan to get another furniture, but the small furniture, like not small, I mean it's not that high, because the brown one, did you notice, it's very big and high. It's really bulky. Well, it's really comfortable. We plan that to put that in the basement when the basement is done. I don't know when it's done, maybe it's 20 years from now. guys, I am done vacuuming and I put the curtains. I do like the curtains color. It matches with the rug. It's really nice, you know, with the wall. It's Roxy's always in the neighbor. Look. Do you wanna see? They're always like checking up the neighbor's house, looking for the dog. Poor Roxy, she really want to play with the dog, but the dog doesn't come. Hi guys, I am done clearing up. I mean, it's been done a while ago, and I went half bathing here. It's super cold, guys. This wind is crazy. I thought it's gonna be nice today, but ibabrush ko lang tong hair ko. When you have a dry lips and you keep doing this, you keep biting and peeling the, you know, your lips with your teeth, and suddenly I peeled it under here. I kept eating like that, and then suddenly I feel like, oh my god, it's like peel, and then it was bleeding. I have a thing right now. Hindi ito UTI. You feel like peeing, but you can't. Busaw. Yun, if you are Bisaya, you know what I mean. Busaw. Yung if you hold your pee for a long time, and then when you once you pee, you kind of like, Roxy, behave. Look at this, guys. Do you want me to beep you? Is that what you want? There you go. This dog will get better later. I just have to keep drinking water. Oh, Tommy called me. He's on the way to Long Island. Dried fish again. Oh my god, this is gonna be bad for my kidney. Ang tagal uminit. Oh, this is the problem of doing the stove that electric. Takes forever to get hot. So anyway, guys, I'm just going to cook this one and put the vent because it's stinky. I'm done doing this look, guys. Yeah, I'm done with this look. I use airbrush, and I'm going to clean my, it's time to clean my airbrush thing. After using airbrush, guys, you have to clean it. Did I was talking and it's not filming? I'm not sure, guys. I was talking and I hope it's filming because that was like 5 minutes of talking. Anyway, so I was saying, I have chicken. I marinated, not marinated. I defrost some chicken. I'm gonna fry with this stir fry thing. You see this stir fry? This is what I'm gonna use for that. Right there, September 9, 2017. Time check, it's 2:42 in the afternoon. Anyway, guys, Tommy. I called Tommy twice. He hasn't answered, guys. Look at these two dogs. So tired. So tired. Are you guys so tired? Look, every time I do something, Missy's coming to keep licking and digging. Look. That's who she is. Always looking for begging, begging for something, I love you, you love me, we love each other, plong plong plong. Yeah, I need to cut your hair when we get back to that. Oh, I'm gonna tell Dada to bring the cutter. I need to cut her hair. Tired Roxy, blah blah blah. We just get in. The two dogs are going crazy. Look, I try to play with this outside. It's so windy, and I don't know how to control it yet. And the wind is really it's really strong, so I can't do it. So I'm just gonna put this in the office that the dog won't eat it. Hello. Hi. Whatever. What?
Whatever. What's wrong? Whatever.
And where are you?
Pretty sure I'm at his house.
They're so tired. Pshh. 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 You're too cute. I know that. You're too cute. What can I tell you? You're too cute. Oi. Monkey Kong, Monkey Kong. My monkey, Monkey Kong, Monkey Kong. Oi, come in na look, Tina. Come in na look. Come here, look at us. Come here, baby. No, come in na, baby ni mama. Sit up properly. Sit up. Good girl. You sit up. Sit up, Rox. Ay, you are not sitting up. You sit. You sitting up. You get up. What? Oh, shit. Here's the chicken. I'm going to put lemon first. This one, this is the, I like this one because it came a little bit bigger. It's not like so powdery. So that's why I use this. And I like a lot of pepper, guys. I don't know why. I just love it. A lot of pepper, the better. Makaatsing kapag kakatan. I'm going to use the one that I used before. It's open already. It's been a long time. Let me see how when is this expired. The same day. The same day. Pour it. Pour the whole thing. Why not just finish the whole thing? Everything is coated. And so I'm just gonna let it sit for a while and it will ready later on. The dog would enjoy this too. Yes, my Roxy and Misty would enjoy this. They're so tired. Ibibiyaan ko lang yan, guys, ha? I'm just going to biya that over there. I think I still have few of this in the other house. The thing that I can't order, guys, that I wanna order is the magic syrup. But they cancel the magic syrup thing. It's garbage outfit. They take that magic syrup. They don't want that here in the United States anymore. I don't know why. You guys let me know why they cancel that thing. Why they don't want that to be exported here in the US. There's some reason. There is a reason why, I think, but I don't remember. Ikamas at tulong, sigarilyas at manis, sitaw, pataw, patani, undo, patula, upo, kalabasa, at saka mayroon pa. Wala ba nus-nus, imong dagway? Patingin-tingin sa akin, di maintindihan. Para bang ako sinasadya magmula ng makausap na kita. So I'm gonna use this thing that Tommy got me. That Tommy got for our kitchen thing. He got this new thing, which is really nice of him. He got me a new toy, kitchen toy, so which is really good, which I'm happy that he did. Sobrang sarap nito, guys, yung fried chicken ko, guys. Look, let's check up the dog, guys. Let's check up on them. Let's check up on them. What they're doing. What are you guys doing? It's windy in here. Okay, guys, right now I'm just going to take off my makeup. This light won't work, this one over here. I'm gonna tell Tommy to change this to white because it's yellow, so it's different, guys. If you are watching, if you have a yellow light and if you watch your face, it's kind of nice looking, but if you go to the white light, you can see it's perfectly different. Oh my god, you see my eyes, guys? It's red. Ginawa ko na naman yung, I did it again. The last time I did it, the same thing. I put safeguard on my hand. I do wipe it like, and I do it like this. It's stupid of me. I did it again. I don't have enough brush. As you know, I don't do makeup all the time, and for now, those brushes works for me, okay? It's okay for me. So why buying another brushes? I'm gonna buy brushes when it's time to do it. And then I have extra man. Do you know what's man? Money. Oh, may kugmo naman ako, oy. And you would say, oh my god, her vlog is like, it's so nasty. She's talking about kugmo. Ew. You know, people is ew. Hi guys, I'm gonna do insert shout out for this video guys that I am trying to been doing, and so editing. I'm just gonna insert this shout out to Jocelyn Palomo. Hi sis from Kuwait. Hi. And also shout out to Jeneline Favilani. Happy birthday sis, advance April 25. Happy birthday advances. I hope you enjoy your birthday this coming April 25th. And also shout out the Santander family sa Zamboanga City. Hi, Santander family. And also shout out to Sheena Kiambao from Bulacan. Hi, from Bulacan. Thank you for watching, guys. And also happy birthday sa anak or sa aso ni Rosana Magno. Happy birthday, little dogs. Porsche. Shout out to Evelyn and Huson from Canada. Hi sis, thank you for watching. Yeah, I hope I pronounce it. I'm really bad of everything, guys, so I'm sorry. Hogson from Canada. And also shout out to Junalyn Valispin. And also shout out to Pinalos. I don't know if I did this shout out already, but I'm sorry guys, I kinda confused or which one is the one is not yet, or I'm not sure. Keep watching the vlog guys. Bye. She's talking about kugmo. Who doesn't have kugmo, guys? Booger. Who doesn't have kugmo, huh? Hey! All of us have kugmo, and we always blow it or pick it in our finger and wash it. Not eating it, but throw it out in the garbage or flick it. Flick. That's how you do it. That's how you work it out. Okay, somebody comment. I'm gonna put the comment right here if I can find it. She's asking about if I'm working, is Tommy is getting my salary? Is Tommy, you know, will hold my salary or stuff like that? When I was working, guys, that was 2009 when I was working, Tommy said, do what you want with your money. I don't ask anything. You can spend it all you want. Anything you want. You don't have to give me nothing. You don't have to pay the bills. You don't have to do anything. You will keep it. And that's what happened. Believe me, I don't earn much, but at least he's not controlling my salary, even though I have only few hundreds every week. So yeah, so that's what happened, guys. I'm sorry guys, my eyes still hurt because of you know the safeguard that I rub on my eyes. It's stupid, man. Stupid. Love. Get down. And I told you to get down and you don't listen. How come you don't listen? Where is Dada? That's the answer of your question, sis. Hi guys, I'm just watching Impractical Joker, and anyway guys, I'm going to end this vlog, and the dog's there and the other one is somewhere there. I love you. Okay guys, I'm just watching it. Anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next vlog. Bye guys. Bye. Hard tune thing sound mad like, oh mom, what are you doing? Like that. Hey, what are you doing? Like that.